Hi, this is Suzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your default keyboard on your Android phone. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Your phone's keyboard can make or break your user experience. Most of us have wrestled with an awkward default keyboard setup. Even though some Android users prefer the pre-installed keyboard, you can always change it and ditch it for another trusted option. You can choose several keyboard options that works with all devices, whether you're on top of the line Samsung, Google Pixel, and another Android device. So how to change your keyboard? As you can see in here, this is the keyboard that I use in this phone, and I want to change to another keyboard. To do it, you can just open your settings on your phone. Now you can go to just scroll down and go to additional settings. You can go to language and input, and you'll find there is an option current keyboard. I'm using emoji and font keyboard. If you want to change it to another keyboard, if you have another input keyboard, you can just, for example, like this one, keyboard. Let's see. So now it's changing, right? For the keyboard. So simple, right? Unfortunately, I only have three input keyboard. This one. So here, where you can change your keyboard on your Android phone. It's so simple, right? So that is how to change keyboard on Android. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.